Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the online classes. We are studying chapter number 6, indices. In the last videos, we have learned the rules of indices. Now, finding the square root of a perfect square. This is the topic of today. Finding the square root of a perfect square. What is a square? When a number is multiplied by itself, the product obtained is the square of the number. When any number is given, that number multiplied by itself, then that product is called its square. First example, the square of 6 means 6 in index 2. We write when index is 2, we read as the square of. Okay, the square of 6 means 6 into 6 is equal to 36. The square of 4 means 4 into 4, it means 60. The square of 5 means 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Like this. Okay. It means we can find the square by multiplying the given number itself, we get the square. Okay. Now second example, the square of 3. The square of 3. 3 square, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9. It means 9. On the other hand, we can say that the square root of 9 is 3. Square of 3 is 9. And square root of 9 is 3. And it's shown as square root sign like this way. Is the square root sign. Square root of 9 is 3. It means the bigger number is the square of the given number and the smaller number is the square root of the given. 9 is bigger than 3. And when we multiply 3 into 3, we get 9. Bigger number. And that is the square. Okay. And the square root of 9, we get the smaller number. Means 3. And square root sign is like this. Okay. Now, next example. Here we can say that square root of 36 is 6. Okay. 6 square 36 and square root of 36 is 6. 3 square 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 7 square. 7 square means 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Therefore, we can say that square root of 49 is 7. Okay. 8 square. 8 into 8. 64. It means square root of 64 is 8. Okay. 9 square. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Therefore, square root of 81 is equal to 9. Look, we get the bigger number 49, 64, 81. 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 80. And therefore, square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 81 is 9. Okay. Now, finding the square root of given number by the factor method. Now, we can find the square, but now by multiplying the given number itself. Okay. But now we have to find the square root, the smaller number. How to find? We have learned the factor method by LCM and SCM. Factor method means we use prime numbers all of you know prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Then there is the test of 2, test of 3, test of 5. Test of 2, if in the unit place there is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number can be divided by 2. That is the test of divisibility by 2. 3, the sum of digit comes in the 3's table, then that number is divided by 3. That is the test of divisibility by 3. 5, 0 or 5. In unit place, if there is 0 or 5, then we can divide that number by 5. These are the tests we have learned in the third chapter. Now, here in the unit place there is 4, therefore 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again, there is in the unit place 2, therefore test of divisibility by 2. 2 3s are 6, carry 1. Okay, became 12. 2 6 are 12. In unit place there is 6 again, and therefore we can divide it 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2. Remain 1 became 16. 2 8s are 60. Now again there is in the unit place 2. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Now 9, it is not prime number and it doesn't come in the table of 2. After 2, the prime number is 3. 3 3s are 9. And therefore 3 is prime number and it can be divided by only 3. Okay. Write in the horizontal 144 is equal to 2 into 72. Again 2 into 2 into 36. 2 into 2 into 36. Again 2 into 2 into 2 into 18. 2 into 2 into 2 into 18. Again 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4. Now 4 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 9. Again 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 9. 3 3s are 9. Now the pairs of this pair we get here 9. Now write down the each factor of the one factor of each pair. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. Therefore, square root of 144 is equal to 12. This is the square root. How do we have done here? We factorize the given number. Vertical method we have learned in the third chapter, and then put in the horizontal way, and then we get 3 pairs. Put one factor of the each pair 2, 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. If we multiply 12 into 12, then we get the product 144. It means square root of 144 is 12. Are you getting? Write down all this in your copies. Till then, goodbye.